Hey there everyone. A subscriber left this letter in the comments on one of my videos. I was so moved by the accuracy of these words, I wanted to share it with everyone. I had to paraphrase it a bit because I don't know who the original author is, but this truly says it all. Dear victim, I have lied to you since the day we met. I created stories of love everlasting, forever happiness, and even called you my soulmate. I did this because I needed your attention, your adoration, and your admiration. I cannot exist without supply, whether it comes from you, my exes, or from the next victim I can find. This is my disorder. I cannot feel any empathy. I don't have the ability to truly love anyone, and that is a choice I have made for myself. In your eyes, I easily embraced all of the love you offered so generously. For a short while, I even tried to convince myself I have finally found the happiness I've been searching for, but I cannot. Unfortunately, everything I showed you, everything I said to you, was just me totally manipulating you. You were perfect for me. You were the ideal one. But like everyone before you, I started to hate you. I hated you with the same hatred I have for myself and everyone else. But I just couldn't let you go. I needed to torment you. I gaslighted you. I blame shifted. I cheated on you. I gave you the silent treatment over and over again. I ghosted you. I just downright used and abused you. I was compelled to do these things because by devaluing you, it made me feel superior. If you believe for 1 second that you were to blame, stop it right now, because it's not true. Everything is my fault. I have a horrible disorder. This will happen to the next victim I find, because I will never stop. Sincerely, the Narcissist. If this letter hits home for you, type "Yep" in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this short video. I hope this gives you a better understanding of what a narcissist is really all about. In the meantime, be alert, watch for the signs, be vigilant, be strong, be brave, and go live your best life today.